Okay, for this one we have to complete the table to estimate the limit. So the first one, you plug it in, you put this function into your calculator and you use the table and you get negative 0.7344. For the next one you get negative 0.088888. For the next one you get 0.009, and for 1 you get error. For a 1.001 is 0.00902. For the next one is 0.0918, and the next one is 1.09. So this tells us that the limit would be 0. Okay, for this one, it's graph the following function. So you have to draw yourself a graph. One, two, three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our first one is x minus 5. So you have to graph your line at negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your slope is 1. So you go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And if you have graph paper or a nice graph, you would get a straight line, but we're just freehanding here. And for this one, for the next one, negative 3, you would graph a straight line at negative 3, so 1, 2, 3, because y equals negative 3. And for the next one, negative 3x plus 3, you have an x-intercept at positive 3. So, y-intercept. So 1, 2, 3, draw a point there. And then you have a slope of negative 3. So you go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1, 1, 2, 3, down 1, and then up 1, 2, 3, to the left 1, and you would get a line. Now let's go back and look at this side. X is less than 2. So for this line, x cannot go past 2. So this is out of the graph. For the next one, x equals 2. So you would just look at the point x equals 2. So the rest of this is out of your graph. And the next one, x is less than 2. Here's 2. Everything up here is greater than 2. So you're just left with this portion of the graph. So using our graph from the previous problem, we can look at it and say, it's asking us to find the limit of f of x as x goes towards 2. So, and it's asking us if the limit does not exist, explain why. The limit of f of x as x goes towards 2 from the left is negative 3. And our limit as f of x goes towards 2 from the right side is also negative 3. So because these two are the same, we can conclude that our limit as x goes towards 2 is negative 3. So use the graph of f to decide whether the limit of f of x as x goes towards negative 1 exists. If the limit exists, find it. If not, explain why. So if we take a look at our graph, we can see that f of x, that there's the limit as f of x goes towards negative 1 from the right is negative 2. But the limit, positive 2. So the limit of f of x and as x goes towards negative 1 from the left side is 6. So therefore our limit does not exist because there is a jump in the function.